Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 English Grammar Beginner Level Quiz. She is allergic blank seafood. 2. By, from. 2. She is allergic to seafood. We usually have lunch blank 12:30 p.m. In, at, on. At. We usually have lunch at 12:30 p.m. The cat is hiding blank the sofa. Under, between, above. Under. The cat is hiding under the sofa. He apologized blank being late. 4. 2. With. 4. He apologized for being late. The concert starts blank 8 p.m. In, at, on. At. The concert starts at 8 p.m. I am really good blank solving puzzles. On, with, at. With. I am really good with solving puzzles. They laughed blank the funny joke. At, for, on. At. They laughed at the funny joke. The keys are blank the drawer. On, in, at, in. The keys are in the drawer. The book is blank the table. On, with, under. On. The book is on the table. I have a pen, but I do not blank paper. Some, any, many. Any. I have a pen, but I do not have any paper. She usually blank coffee in the morning. Drinks, eats, drinking. Drinks. She usually drinks coffee in the morning. She looked blank her phone. At, on, with. At. She looked at her phone. My birthday is blank May 1st. On, at, in. On. My birthday is on May 1st. I like to go swimming blank the summer. At, on, during. During. I like to go swimming during the summer. She goes blank the gym. At, with, to. 2. She goes to the gym. They were laughing blank her jokes. With, on, at. They were laughing at her jokes. The apples are blank the kitchen counter. Above, on, under. On. The apples are on the kitchen counter. The meeting is scheduled blank 12 p.m. On, at, in. At. The meeting is scheduled at 12 p.m. The teacher praised her blank her hard work. For, at, with. For. The teacher praised her for her hard work. Can you hand me the book blank the shelf? Under, over, from. From. Can you hand me the book from the shelf?
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.